Hi guys, welcome back to the barn, and first of all I'd like to wish you all a happy new year. I hope you all had a good night last night and didn't drink too much. As you can see from the thermometer, it's a bit parky in here, so I'm going to crack on, and hopefully by the end of this video we'll have finished this wall. Give up the lights. To close down my mind. Mm-hmm. So how have I cut that? Right, I think I'm going to call that it for today. It is 10 to 6. It's 3.3 degrees in here. It's gone up a degree while I've been working. So either the insulation's working or my body temperature has raised the workshop to the balmy heights of 3.3 degrees. It's actually interesting, once you start wearing the mask, you feel much warmer. We have got, where we started there, we've insulated, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got 6 rows on. We've got the insulation, got the bashing. In fact, I've run out of bash. That's all I've got left. It's amazing how high this wall feels now. It's as high at this side as it is at that side. I've got another couple of rows to put on, which takes it up to, if you see that bearer there, that bearer is underside of ceiling height. Another 2 rows on there. Another little bit of cutting work to do round here. So 2 rows into there, 2nd row into there. And then that final triangle up to the underside of the roof. I'm going to cut a piece of that OSB I bought the other day because it's far cheaper per square metre than this board is, and it's above ceiling and it's never going to be seen. And then I can transfer this height of this bearer for the ceiling across here, work out what my slope looks like on this end, and then do the same there. I've just got another board to put on at that side of the partition on the top, which I can do now the ladder has gone. And then on, what day are we on now? We are on, day is it today? Monday. Christmas, you lose count of days at Christmas, don't you? So Tuesday tomorrow, get the wall finished tomorrow, start setting out Thursday. If I don't get too drunk on New Year's Eve, I can maybe start to frame this on New Year's Day. And then when the shops reopen on Thursday, I need to go shopping for the ceiling. And would you believe it, the forecast says heavy rain from Thursday onwards, which is when I want to go and get some ceiling materials in the trailer. I'm quite happy. I'll just see if I can put a camera in a different position so you can see the entirety of the workshop. It's cold with no hat on. So there you go, hopefully you can see that now. So this little bay here, if anybody's interested, just over 2.8, 2,850. So that's just over 9 foot, 9'4", 9'4", and then to this post here, centre point, 2.4. That's right. So basically I've got 2.8 by 4.8 inside dimensions. And the good thing is, once I start with the ceiling and get the ceiling done, I can start the development of this corner. Hopefully make interesting video this corner. My plan is slowly coming together what I want to do in here. Right, I'm going to go and have some coffee, and tomorrow we'll wrap that up. Right guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again later. Bye.